Santorini. We're getting ready to take a flight over to Athens. It's super cold already. Maybe that's just in our room. It's so cold. This outfit that I have on was not the outfit that I planned on wearing to Athens, but it's very cold right now, and I don't like being cold.
Then go kick it again.
How is your days in Greece? Good?
Good. Your food good?
Boy.
Tiffany, your food good? This avocado toast is so good. Oh my goodness.
Hot, fresh.
Hot and fresh.
Then go kick.
Acropolis, I told you before, it's one of the 7 wonders of all over the world. It's about 5,000 years old. It's the first city of the life. Acropolis, it's 2 words, acro and polis. Polis, it means city. Acro, it means one of the top, one of the end.
Wow.
Okay? Exactly we say in acro of the body. Acro of the body is the top of the head. Okay? This is mean acro, one city at the end. But always we trying to find one difficult hill. What I mean difficult. You see it, and now when we're walking with a lot of rocks, very difficult to walk in, very difficult for the enemies. Okay, we try to find a hill with only one entrance to walk. All around rocks, all around you must climb, more defense. We have a lot of Acropolis, Acropolis of Athens, Acropolis of Corinth, Acropolis of Sparta, but the first one and the oldest is the Acropolis of Athens.
Then go kick it again. Then go kick it again. Then go kick it again. Then go kick it again.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, she just took them out.
It's hot.
Got all that on camera too. My phone is charging.
Delicious.
These are good. They nice and fluffy.
Then go kick it again.
Hello there. Hi.
Yeah.
Hello.
Is this the menu too?
Are you guys vegan too?
Where?
Okay.
You're vegan?
I am.
I'm a little vegan. I eat what tastes good and then whatever doesn't.
Freedom, you know? Freedom.
Yes.
Do what you feel. That's the best thing to do, right?
Yes, sir.
You're from the States, right, guys?
Yes.
Are you family?
What sound good?
Good.
But yes. It's my wife.
Okay, cool. And whose mom are you? Okay. Are you sisters? Or
Yeah.
soul sisters?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Soul sisters.
All right.
Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Alexandros.
Alex.
Alexandros.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. Welcome to Greece.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lord. I'm good.
Got me some extra tzatziki sauce.
It's apples in there.
Yeah.
Coleslaw is good. See some of these potatoes. Them are good. Just pull it. Get some of the sauce, because that sauce is good. It's like they are crispy on the edges and like real, like something different in the middle.
I need to pause here and pull out. I'm about to go order me one. Yeah, this is good.
This is what we came for. This right here.
Right? Still gonna get my regular gyro. Probably
Ooh, I'm nervous.
Walk up the hill. I ain't, cause I say for the mushroom, it was good.
Tango Kiki.
All right, you guys, so we just got back to the airport so that we can fly back to Santorini from Athens. We just got some Burger King and they have like this crazy menu. So I got a whole bunch of vegan options.
The fries are fries.
Plant nugget.
Taste real? It don't taste real?
I could deal with it.
Does it taste real though? No.
It tastes like old nuggets to me.
Like old nuggets. That's not good.
Tango Kiki did it again.